Mock, yeah. Ing, yeah. Bird, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Mockingbird. Now everybody, have you heard? He's gonna buy me a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird won't sing, he's gonna buy me a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring won't shine, he's gonna surely break the sign.
In ancient Mesopotamia, eclipses of the sun were perceived as negative omens that could lead to the death of the current king. If an eclipse of the sun was predicted to fall on any of the 12 days of the ancient New Year's festival of Zagmuk, or Akitu, a substitute or mock king would be installed at the starting ceremony. In this way, any evils which may have befallen the true king would accrue to the substitute instead. On the 10th day of the festival, the king, or Sumerian En, would perform sexual intercourse with a high priestess known as the entu. This ritual sex was a reenactment of the primordial coupling of the skygod An and the earth goddess Ki, thought to have brought the world into being at the dawn of time. This ancient history is carefully preserved in the New Testament, with the zodiac crown of thorns, the inscription king of the Jews, and other mocking of the composite literary character of Jesus of Mazzaroth. Why might intelligent ET life be waiting for all humans on planet Earth to come to this understanding?